How to update RedNote account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your RedNote account. In order to update your RedNote account, you can follow the steps to make changes to your profile, settings and preferences. First of all, open your RedNote application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, now tap on the Me icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen to access your profile. Once you reach to this page, here you'll be able to see the profile option. Tap on this profile button and this allows you to change various aspects of your account. You'll be able to change your username by simply tapping on your username, but make sure you haven't changed it in these 7 days. Also, you can tap on the profile picture and upload a new photo to change your existing one. You may also tap on this bio and add or edit your personal bio. Similarly, you can also update all the details like gender, birth date, location, job title, and education. Also, if you want to change the app's language, you can come back to this previous page, tap on the settings icon right here, and then in this page tap on general settings. From here you'll be able to locate the language option, tap on language and then select your preferred language here. Once after selecting, you can simply tap on the save option at the top right. After that, you may also explore other settings such as notification settings, privacy settings and linked accounts by navigating through this setting menu. Also note that some features may be limited based on regional availability or app updates. If specific options are not available, it may be due to app restriction or ongoing update. By following these steps, you can effectively update your RedNote account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.